Yeah. Okay, so today we are going to talk about future tense. Yeah. Last week we have learned about the previous weeks. We have learned about what were the tenses that we have been learning so far, guys? Can you mention one by one?
Simple present, simple past tense, simple continuous tense, simple past continuous tense.
Aduh. Jangan kecampur-campur. Nggak ada simple present continuous, nggak ada. Adanya present continuous.
Present continuous tense.
Betul, yes. Simple present, simple past tense, present continuous tense, and past continuous tense. Yeah, okay, very good. Carmel, it means that you took notes all the day long. Yeah. Okay, now, so today we come to the next tense, yeah, which is future tense. And as what you have watched from the videos, how many videos have I have provided for you to practice listening first? 2 or 3 videos just now that you watch? Loh, masa lupa? Kan baru dilakukan. Ayo, you should do 3. Yes, 3 videos, yeah. And then all of them were talking about the differences between semua videonya.
Going to.
Yes, will and the use of will and the use of be going to in sentences. Yeah. Okay. Can anyone share with us? You can share in the chat box. You can just say it out loud. What are the differences between will and be going to or going to? Whenever we want to use them in sentences. Okay. You may start chatting, typing in the chat box or just say it loud.
Going to tuh akan secepatnya terjadi, kalau will itu future gitu.
Oh, dua-duanya future. Kan dua-duanya future. Ya kan? Future tense itu bisa dalam bentuk will, menggunakan will, ataupun dengan be going to. Gitu kan? Nah, dari ketiga video tadi yang kalian tonton, kira-kira dengan, kan banyak example tuh yang sudah ada di videonya. Kira-kira what makes it different whenever I say I'm going to cook and I will cook? Bisa nggak saya bilang I will cook?
Kalau memakai I will cook itu berarti belum tentu akan dilakukan begitu, Bu.
Very good, Phoebe, ya. I will cook itu ya semoga saya bisa sebentar lagi ya habis kelas berakhir nih gitu ya. I will cook gitu ya. Semoga saya punya waktu untuk memasak buat kamu gitu ya. Enak aja, dari kemarin aku yang masak terus. Misalnya kalian kos-kosan misalnya. Kok kos-kosan, kan kalian bukan kos-kosan. Di asrama dan di rumah doang kan ya. Ya, betul ya Phoebe. Kalau kejadiannya atau kegiatan yang akan dilakukan itu masih belum yakin dilakukan oleh si pelaku gitu ya, si subjek, maka kita akan menggunakan will. Tapi kalau going to itu sudah certain, sudah very sure. I'm going to cook a delicious meal for my family on Christmas Day, for example. On Christmas, for example. Nah, jadi pasti akan dia lakukan gitu. Dan itu sudah diplanningkan jauh-jauh hari sebelum. Tapi kalau I will cook for you right after this class gitu. Wait up gitu ya. Berarti sesuatu yang planningnya itu very short ya. Bahkan tanpa planning gitu ya. Tiba-tiba suddenly gitu ya. Dia mau melakukan sesuatu gitu ya. Okay, now let's see another example. We are going to have midterm math this afternoon. Good luck ya guys this afternoon. I will pass the Midterm. Amen. I will pass. I will pass the midterm. Kalau I will pass the midterm berarti apakah kalian yakin untuk pass the midterm atau nggak yakin? Iya ya. Or this is only your dream, your imagination. I have a dream I will pass the exam. I'm going to have it this afternoon. I promise myself that I will study hard. Tuh, I will study hard. Berarti dia juga nggak yakin nih dengan time managementnya dia. Kalau bisa, aku akan belajar dengan sebaik-baiknya. Tapi kalau banyak kegiatan, banyak online meeting, ya aku belajar sekedarnya saja untuk midterm math siang hari ini, gitu ya. Maka kalian akan menggunakan I will. Tapi kalau kalian sure, very sure with your plan, gitu ya, midtermnya masih bulan depan misalnya, atau minggu depan lah ya, and then you commit yourself that that you're going to study very hard so that you're going to pass the exam, gitu. Oke? Next, thank you ya Marta Lena. Dela, we'll show our willingness to something. Okay, we'll show our willingness to something. I'm going to take a swab test at 11 a.m. Yes, will itu betul sih ya. Will itu pasti ada hubungannya dengan willing ya. Willing to do something, willing to learn something, willing to do anything gitu ya. Nah, betul. Going to sebenarnya juga menunjukkan willing to do something juga sih gitu ya. Karena ketika kita merencanakan sesuatu pasti kita willing untuk melakukannya juga gitu ya. Tapi kadarnya saja sih apa sih namanya? Ya, kadar. Intensitas atau kualitasnya aja yang berbeda. Kalau will itu dengan kualitas yang I try my best, I'll try my best. Nah, makanya I'll try my best. Orang biasanya ngomongnya I'll try my best gitu ya. I will try my best. Tapi nggak ada orang yang ngomongnya I'm going to do my best. Itu juga nggak ada sih. I'll try my best karena will itu digunakan ketika kita mau promise gitu ya. Kita mau berjanji tentang sesuatu juga gitu ya. Will, itu will yang akan digunakan, bukan going to. Nah, jadi dua-duanya tetap adalah menunjukkan willingness to do something. Nah, kalau contohnya dari Dela, I'm going to take a swab test at 11. Yes. So, it means that you know for sure it's definite already that you're going to have the swab test at 11. Apalagi ada jamnya. Berarti kalian sudah tahu betul gitu ya, jadwalnya kalian jam berapa gitu ya. Good luck for your swab test. Dona sampai Dela karena nama Dona muncul di sini. Yes, thank you. Jadi sudah sangat jelas sekarang ya antara penggunaan will dan going to. What about if you go outside from now? I mean, right now, go outside from your house, and then if you see the cloud is dark, okay? So what are you going to say then? What will you say? Will you use will or going to? It will rain atau it is going to rain?
It will rain.
Why? Why it will rain?
Mendung belum tentu hujan.
Tapi itu lagu ya, itu judul lagu kayaknya. Karena biasanya sih kalau mendung, apalagi mendungnya mendung berat gitu ya, heavy cloud gitu ya, pasti hujan sih sebenarnya ya. Itu sudah natural apa ya, symptom gitu ya, gejala alam kan memang seperti itu ya, Phoebe ya. Or maybe because Phoebe love to listen to many songs, including Korean song, including Indonesian song, gitu-gitu ya. Oke. Oke. But at least guys, by watching the video that I have asked you to watch, actually you can see the differences also, yeah. Now, one more thing is the last video that you watch. It was the TED presentation, yeah, the bolded man, yeah, with a cool outfit, okay. with that gentleman with the bolded hat. Yeah, you still remember the last video that you watched, the TED presentation, the TED talk? Ya, ingat? Kasih respon dong, kan saya nggak tahu kalian tuh ngerti yang saya maksud atau enggak. Yang video terakhir, yang kepalanya botak, presenternya cowok, kepalanya botak, TED talk. Ingat ya? Nah, in that presentation, nearly at the end, he mentioned one more thing. Not about will, not about going to anymore, but
Shall.
shall. No, it's not shall. Shall itu ada di modul. Modul unit 6 and 7. Ya. Oke. Apa?
Maybe to be plus verb in.
Yes. Actually, he also use actually that is also included in present continuous tense. Yang verb dan tambahan ing di belakangnya kan ya. Present continuous tense gitu kan ya. Ya. Nah, betul sekali. Siapa tadi? Monica ya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Do you still remember the example that he gave in the video, Monica?
I'm not sure about it, ma'am.
You're not so sure. Okay, you're not so sure about it. Okay, so I will give you an example ya. So actually, even though jadi ada present continuous tense gitu ya, yang bisa digunakan juga untuk menyatakan bahwa seseorang merencanakan sesuatu. Misalnya, I'm leaving Jakarta tomorrow morning. Gitu ya. Nah, artinya orang ini berencana untuk pergi dari Jakarta, mungkin pergi ke Sumatera atau pergi ke Bali gitu ya. Pokoknya dia pergi dari Jakarta aja gitu ya, naik pesawat misalnya. I'm leaving Jakarta tomorrow morning at 5 o'clock a.m. for example. At 5 a.m. Nah, itu bisa juga. Jadi nggak harus misalnya I'm going to leave Jakarta at 5 o'clock in the morning. Nggak harus pakai I'm going to, tapi bisa juga I'm leaving. Tapi nggak semua verb ya yang bisa digunakan untuk menyatakan future activity atau future plan when it comes to present continuous tense. Itu hanya leaving, kemudian I'm having a meeting with my colleague, for example. Yeah, I'm having a meeting with my colleague at 12 today, this afternoon, for example. Berarti dia sudah ada janji dan dia pasti akan menepati janjinya itu, maksudnya mengikuti si meetingnya itu jam 12 tepat hari ini. Gitu. Itu bisa. Ya, tapi jarang sih, orang Indonesia juga jarang menggunakan present continuous tense untuk menunjukkan planning ke depan. Gitu ya. Biasanya kita sebagai orang Indonesia menggunakan bahasa Inggris terutama untuk menunjukkan future activities, future plan gitu, biasanya dengan menggunakan will atau going to, ya. Oke, I just want to give you another side of the use of other tense, present continuous tense, ya, to show future activities as well from the video. Oke? So, ada pertanyaan nggak tentang will dan going to? Is it easy to differentiate between these two tenses? Oke, now kalau nggak ada pertanyaan, karena kalian diam semua. Oke, kalau tidak ada pertanyaan, silahkan. Would you please, each one of you, I will be waiting, okay? Each one of you will type one sentence for each person, okay? You may choose either you want to use will or going to, but I'm going to check one by one whether the sentence is correct or not. Don't forget the context, ya. If will, you will need to, you plan something, ya, something that you're going to do, but in a sudden plan, something that is not planned a few days before the D-Day, yeah, you will use will, right? And you can also make a promise using will, right? You can make a dream. You can tell your friends or others about your dream. I will die very soon. Loh. I will live forever. Oh, yes. Yes, that is your dream. May your dream come true, gitu ya. We all want to live forever, but God said no. Human has limited age, gitu ya. Oke, yuk. On the contrary, going to planning something long time before the D-Day. What else? It is very certain, the plan that you have made is very certain, you are sure that you are going to do it. Okay, please guys,